Hey everyone, welcome to Sabroso. In honor of Hispanic Heritage Month, I'm making Puerto Rican Pastelon. Some people call it pastelon, some people call it piñón, but whatever you call it delicious. In a large pan, I'm browning off about 2 pounds of ground beef. Once the beef is brown, we're going to remove it and drain the excess fat. In that same pan, we're going to saute half a cup of white onions as well as half a cup each red and green pepper. To the pepper and onion mixture, we're going to add 1 tablespoon ground garlic. After sauteing the garlic for 30 seconds, we're going to add the Puerto Rican staple sofrito. Sofrito is a condiment that is used to flavor many dishes in Puerto Rican cookery. Add the ground beef back to the pan and combine with the peppers, onions, garlic, and sofrito. Now I'm adding about 4 teaspoons of my homemade adobo sazon seasoning. Adobo and sazon are also staples in Puerto Rican cookery. You can find it in the international aisle of your grocery store, or you can use my recipe by clicking on the link in the description. While many Hispanics have their version of pastelon, mine includes frozen cut green beans. Now I'm adding about a 1/4 cup of pitted salad olives. Next, I add in 1 7-ounce can of tomato sauce. To that, I'm adding about a 1/4 cup of chicken stock. As well as some more of the adobo sazon seasoning. And this is what we call the picadillo mixture. You can make this picadillo the night before. That way the day of, you can concentrate on layering your pastelon. Now introducing the star of the show, the sweet plantain. Whenever you're choosing a sweet plantain, make sure that it has plenty of black spots. What I like to do is trim the edges, then cut the plantain in half, and then each half cut in quarters lengthwise. Now that we have our plantains ready to go, it's time to fry. You know when your oil is hot, when you stick the end of a wooden spoon into the oil and it begins to sizzle. As you fry in batches, drain the plantains on a paper towel lined plate so that you can drain the excess oil. Repeat the process until all the plantains are cooked. Now it's time to assemble our pastelon. In a large casserole dish, I grease the bottom and sides of the dish so that I know it won't stick. As I begin layering, I make sure that the plantains are touching each other. Then I'm adding a layer of the ground beef and then repeating the process. For the top row, I like to leave some rows open so that I can put some mozzarella cheese. And into the oven it goes for about 30 to 45 minutes. When it comes out, I just brush it with a little bit of garlic herb butter, and voila, there you have Puerto Rican Pastelon.